Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to deactivate your Threads account. First, open the Threads app and go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select the account option. Under the account settings, tap on Deactivate Profile. Follow the on-screen instructions and confirm your decision to deactivate your Threads account. That's it. Your Threads account has been deactivated. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.